Welcome to AI World and Tutorials. Today, artificial intelligence is reshaping our world. It is changing how we work, create, learn new things. At the heart of this transformation are large language models, or LLMs. These advanced AI systems can understand and generate human-like text. They are becoming powerful assistants for countless tasks. You have probably already used one without even realizing it. They might power the chatbot that answered your customer service question, or help suggest the next word in your email. Their influence is growing quickly and quietly. Understanding LLMs is becoming a crucial skill in our modern era. These are not just tools for computer scientists or big tech companies anymore. They are accessible to everyone. Students use them to grasp complex subjects. Writers use them to overcome creative blocks. Programmers use them to write and debug code faster. Knowing how these models work helps you use them more effectively and empowers you to spot their limitations and use them responsibly. This knowledge is no longer optional. It is a fundamental part of digital literacy for 2026 and beyond. This video will guide you through the world of LLMs. We will start with real, everyday examples you can relate to, then pull back the curtain on how these models are built and tested. Let's begin our journey into this fascinating field. Many people are already using LLMs to make their daily lives easier. Imagine you need to write a difficult email to your boss. An LLM can help you draft a professional and polite message in seconds. Students around the world use these models as personal tutors. They can ask an LLM to explain a complex scientific concept like photosynthesis in simple terms. The model can break down information into easy-to-understand steps. These are not future possibilities. These are practical uses happening right now. They demonstrate how LLMs act as powerful tools for communication and learning. In software development, programmers use LLMs to generate code snippets. They describe a function they need, and the model writes the code for them. This saves hours and speeds up problem solving. Businesses power customer support chats with LLMs. These assistants answer common questions instantly, 24 hours a day. They also summarize long reports or articles, giving busy professionals key points without reading the entire document. LLMs are becoming indispensable for boosting productivity. Let's consider creative uses. Stuck for ideas? An LLM is a fantastic brainstorming partner. Project names, party themes, even trip itineraries based on your interests and budget. Artists and designers use prompts to inspire work by connecting ideas in novel ways and sparking human creativity. The key is your prompt. Be clear, specific, and give context. How do these powerful models come to exist? The process begins with an immense amount of data. Developers gather massive text and code from the internet. Books, articles, websites, scientific papers. The volume is staggering, often trillions of words. This is the model's textbook. It learns grammar, facts, reasoning styles, and connections between words and ideas. Quality and diversity matter. Next comes computationally intensive training using thousands of powerful computers for weeks or months. The core task: predict the next word in a sequence. When wrong, it adjusts billions of parameters, repeating this countless times. Through repeated prediction and correction, a rich statistical understanding of language emerges. After broad training, you get a foundational model with general language understanding. Developers often fine-tune it on smaller, specific datasets, like customer support transcripts, to improve responses for a job. This refines usefulness and appropriateness. At inference, the model samples likely next words based on your prompt and previous output. It can feel like thinking, but it's sophisticated pattern matching and sequence completion. The essential toolkit. Key LLM terms to know. Token. A piece of text the model processes. A word, subword, or punctuation. LLMs are powerful, might split to LLMs, R, power, full. Models have token limits that include your input and the model's output, affecting capacity and cost. Prompt. The instruction you give the model. Prompt engineering is crafting effective prompts. Instead of write about dogs, try write a short, fun paragraph about the loyalty of golden retrievers for a children's book. Add personas like act as a friendly expert, bias and safety. Models can inherit harmful biases. Safety filters and guidelines help, but it's an ongoing challenge. Section 5, Smart Use, Safe Results, a guide to testing outputs. Using an LLM is exciting, but don't trust its output blindly. These models are convincing, but they can be wrong. Hallucinations happen. Always verify important information. For historical dates, medical facts, or legal precedents, treat answers as a starting point. Cross-reference with journals, news sites, and expert opinions. Never rely on unverified responses for critical decisions. Experiment with prompts. Ask the same question different ways. Compare consistency. Ask for reasoning. Can you explain the steps you took? And what are the sources? Developers use benchmarks for reading comprehension, math, and coding, producing scores and comparisons. Useful, but they miss creativity, politeness, and common sense reasoning. Human review is essential. Probe edge cases. Try contradictions and unusual requests to find failures. Watch for bias. If you ask for a CEO or a nurse, see if stereotypes appear. If biased, correct your prompt. Ask for inclusive descriptions. Identify solid logic versus confident-sounding fabrication. Section 6. The Path Forward. Using LLMs with wisdom. Large language models are powerful, but not perfect. They are a leap forward that augments human abilities. They help us write faster, learn efficiently, generate ideas, and automate tedious tasks, freeing us for meaningful work. Embrace them as capable assistants, not all-knowing oracles. With great power comes responsibility. LLMs make mistakes and can sound confident when wrong. They can reflect biases that reinforce harmful stereotypes. Be mindful of privacy. Don't paste sensitive information into public LLMs. Choose trusted providers and read policies. Keep a healthy skepticism and a human in the loop. Use LLMs as first draft generators, brainstorming partners, and research assistants. Then apply your own judgment. Review, edit, and verify outputs. For high-stakes decisions, require human oversight and approval. Human-AI collaboration is the real magic. Your AI journey is beginning. Start with real use cases and learn to write good prompts. Test and verify important outputs. Practice safe, smart usage to unlock benefits while managing risks. Explore more resources and tutorials on AI World.